Leaving late as usual. What time is it?
7:20.
7:20. We're supposed to be there at 7:30.
He said 7:20.
Baby, you didn't strap his binky. Dropped a binky. Already dropped a binky. Here. Just hold on. Just clip it back on. We're hustling so that we can make our boat on time. We're on our way to the ferry port to take a ferry over to Kos, Greece. Never been to Greece, our first time. We're supposed to be there at 7:30. The boat leaves at 9, but we have to be there early for passport control and everything. And I've been hearing that passport control is taking a long time lately. Everything's slowed down. It's really busy, so we already paid for the tickets yesterday, so I'm hoping they'll still let us on the boat. I think we'll be okay, but we are hustling a little bit. So we always leave late, no matter what we do, no matter what time we wake up. We got up at 5:30, still late. It's a doggy. So, nothing like a, nothing like a speed walk early in the morning. Get your blood pumping for the day, right? Mm-hmm. Hi, doggy. Hi, dog. Goodbye, dog. You are a good boy. Hi, buddy. I know. Are you kissing him?
I just say cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Mama, press it.
You ready to go on the boat?
Okay.
I'm gonna go for a ride on the boat.
I need
Still have another 45 minutes before the boat leaves. Mayo.
So yummy.
Still waiting to go.
And go swimming.
We're gonna go swimming.
15 minutes.
And go
15 more minutes.
And then jump out the boat.
We're not gonna jump out the boat. We'll walk nicely off the boat. Right? Finally left. We should be there in 20 minutes. Pika. Hello. Peekaboo. 7 p.m. We had a really long day. We've been up since 5:30, but I'd say it was a good day for the most part. We had a really good time. The ride was pretty smooth for the most part. It was a little rocky. The boat was really fast. It's only a 20-minute catamaran, so it got us there to the island pretty fast. So we weren't really sure what we were gonna do. We knew we were gonna go to the beach, and we kept seeing signs that said free sunbeds at like every restaurant on every corner. I kind of figured like free sunbeds means like you have to buy something.
Kind of like the equivalent to like a table at like a club or whatever. So you get like a table with the intention of spending like 500 minimum, that kind of thing. So
we like kept walking to bypass that because we weren't really sure about that. We walked quite a while, and eventually we stopped. And I was like, okay, let's look at our phones. Let's try to see where there's like a public beach access, so we don't keep walking and walking forever. So just so happened that where we had stopped, the man that was running that restaurant's sunbed location started talking to us, and he was like, "You're looking for the beach?" And we were like, yeah, we're looking for the beach. So we have free sunbeds. And I was like, "Oh, free?" And he's like, "Yeah, free sunbeds right over there. Where are you from?" He was chit-chatting with us. It turns out they really are free. So we got 2 pretty nice sunbeds for free with an umbrella, and they were not like the plastic crappy ones. They were like cushy, and they had a little headrest. And the umbrella was really nice, and we had like a really nice spot right by the water, right by the lifeguard, and they were really nice. He even called over one of his other workers to help Ryan carry the stroller down the steps and over to the lounger, which he didn't have to do, but it was really nice of him. And even when we were packing up to go, the guy saw us starting to leave, and he ran over and helped try and carry the stroller all the way back up to the street. It was really nice. They never asked us to pay anything. So we spent a good while at the beach. And then we had to figure out where to get lunch, and we figured since we were already there, we might as well eat at that restaurant that gave us the free sunbeds. We looked it up online, and they had amazing reviews. All of their reviews were amazing, said their food is so good they come back every year. So we walked right over there, and we had really good food. And the baby slept the entire lunch in my arms. So worked out for me. I just had to eat with one hand, but at least he wasn't like crying, crawling all over the place. And I didn't have to entertain him the whole time, so that worked out. But it was a really good restaurant, highly recommend it. And then it was just about time to head back. So we started walking back. We popped in a few souvenir shops. We grabbed some ice cream. Isla fell asleep in the stroller, which was great for us because she started to turn into a terror because at this point it was past 4 o'clock and she didn't nap yet. And then we went all the way back to the ferry terminal a little bit early, and there was a huge line. There was a huge line at passport control, standing out in the sun. And then we finally got to get on the boat and waited some more. Sitting there, and I was running around, but we had so much fun today. And now we can cross Greece off our list of countries that we have been to. Given it was only one day and it was only one island in one place, but we've been to Greece. The kids have been to Greece, and now we're tired, and we're gonna have some dinner, probably take some showers because we're all like sweaty and salty from the ocean, and go to bed. And tomorrow's our last day in Bodrum. I don't know what we're doing yet, but we'll figure it out.
See you tomorrow.
So see you tomorrow.
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 See you tomorrow.